Welcome to my another tutorial of Google Analytics for tracking. I'm Rahul Mondo, expert in Google Analytics for tracking, server-side tracking, Facebook conversion API, Google Ads conversion tracking, LinkedIn tracking, etc. So if you are looking for all of this service, hire me. I will set up everything accurately through Google Tag Manager, which is always standard. So let's get started. In today's video I will show you how to track phone number click. So to do that, come to your Google Tag Manager and connect to the debug mode and go to your website, and you can see here I have to click on number. Let's find the number. Here here just click on your phone number, and your number should be clickable, otherwise you cannot track. So click on your number and you will get, you can see the pop-up, you will get that pop-up, and go to your debug mode, and then you will see there is a link click. So click on the link click and go to the variable section, and you can see here the click text is this number, same this number, click text, and click URL. Let's create tag for it. Come to your Google Tag Manager, click on new tag, click on tag configuration, click on Google Analytics for events, and select the configuration tag. And as this is a custom event, so you have to give here custom event name. So I am giving like this, phone number click. You can type here anything, and the next thing you have to do is you have to add trigger here, and put that, give this a name. This is for ga4 phone number click. ga4 phone number click. So go to the trigger and create a new trigger, ga4 phone number click. Click on trigger configuration, and this is just click, just links. It is a link. This phone number, it's a link, that's why I'll select just links. And you can also select all elements, because just click is under all element. So I'm selecting this click just click. So click on some link click, and here you have to select this. I will track by this. You can see here, if you go to the variable click URL, I will track by the click URL. So select the click URL here, and it will be contents. Content, click URL contents. What here you can paste the whole click URL, but the standard is copy this tail column, because in your website there may be 2 or 3 numbers. That's why don't copy this whole thing. So copy this only tail and copy it and paste it here. Now save this and save this now. Go to the debug mode. So that's it. Now you know how to track phone number. Now click on this phone number. Now you will get the link. Click here and you can see ga4 phone number click tag has been fired. And here if you want to send anything, you can send like click text. Suppose you want to send this number, so you can send it to the parameter section. So thank you so much for watching my video.